everyone, and welcome back to my channel. With the warmer summer months approaching, I wanted to share with you one of my favorite salads. It's a corn and tomato salad with a honey lime dressing. Perfect for those hot summer nights. It's really super easy to prepare. You need 1.5 cups of corn. Now ultimately, you would want to take 2 ears of corn and steam them and cut the corn off the cob. But this is frozen corn and that is totally okay. So 1.5 cups. We're gonna set that aside and we're gonna dice up some scallion. Now these are big scallions. Normally I would cut up about 3, but since these are so big, I'm just gonna use 2. So you can use the white and the green. And once that is all cut up, we'll just put that into our bowl with our corn. Next thing we need to cut up are grape tomatoes. We're just going to cut them in half. Now, these are pretty big for grape tomatoes. You need a pint, and this is a pint container, but these look really big for little grape tomatoes. They're supposed to be more like this size. But we'll just go with it. And we're just going to add these right to the bowl. Now that we have all of our corn and our tomatoes and our scallions in our bowl, let's just give it a little stir. See how colorful that is? This would be perfect to bring to a picnic potluck as well. Love the colors. Just love it. Now let's make our dressing. Before we start mixing our ingredients, our dressing calls for, or the salad calls for, 2 tablespoons of chopped up cilantro. Now I know some of you may not like cilantro. If you don't like cilantro, I suppose you could substitute parsley or maybe even basil in here to get a little bit more flavor. Try the salad even if you don't like cilantro and just substitute it with something else. We'll put our cilantro right in here as well. Our ingredients that we need for our dressing are 2 tablespoons of lime juice, or just the juice of 1 lime. We have a tablespoon of honey. We have, hold on a minute. Okay, this recipe calls for 1 clove of garlic minced. But seriously, whoever uses just 1 clove of garlic? This is 2. And these cloves were really big. So this is probably the equivalent of 4 small cloves of garlic. I love garlic. But again, if you don't love garlic, and who doesn't? If you know someone, let me know. But this is 2 large cloves of garlic. We also have 3 tablespoons of avocado oil. And I'm going to season it with a little salt, pepper, and a pinch of cayenne. So let's first add our avocado oil. And now our 2 tablespoons of lemon juice and our honey. Any honey is fine. It could be a light amber, dark amber, totally up to you. And I'm gonna whisk this around just to get the honey incorporated with the oil and the lime juice before we add in our garlic. There we go. Everything seems to be coming along quite nicely here. Now let's get our garlic in here. Lots of it. Oh, it smells amazing. All right, got our garlic in here. And I'm just gonna put in a couple turns or more of salt. Whoa, projectile. A little bit of pepper, and just a pinch of cayenne. Just gonna mix this around. And now, let's add it to our salad. Gosh, that looks good. It's a good mix. Now, ultimately, what you would want to do is let this sit in the refrigerator covered for an hour or so before you intend to use it. But honestly, this is going to reach its peak of flavor probably tomorrow. The longer it sits, the better it gets. And may I present to you our corn and tomato salad with a honey lime dressing. It smells so delicious. It's really so easy to get together too. And let's have a little taste. Now again, remember, you want to keep it in the fridge for a little while, but I'm going to get everything on a spoon here. Even freshly made, it's really good. You got the honey and the lime, a little bit of that cayenne, and the cilantro. Really gives it such a boost of flavor. Well, thanks for joining me today, everyone, as I made this salad. I hope that you make it, and if you do, please let me know how it turned out for you. I think you'll really like it. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss out on any videos, and I'll see you next time. Have a great day. What time is it, Frodo? Is it dinner time? Dinner's always such a exciting time in my household. Now there's Sam. You may not notice it, but he is beyond excitement. With the tail wagging, oh my gosh, he is really excited. Frodo shows a little bit more emotion. Okay, here we go. Let's go. Let's have some dinner. All right, let's have some dinner. Oh boy, delicious, delicious, delicious. Oh, yum. Okay, Sam, is it your turn? Okay, Sam, here we go. Oh, can you contain your excitement? Oh, and the ears pop forward. That's really exciting. Here you go, Sam. All right.